Welcome to my channel. So, ang topic natin ngayon for UCSP is non-material culture. This is a continuation ng topic ko sa isang video. So, when we talk about non-material culture, these are beliefs, values, and norms. A belief is a perception of reality. Belief are the convictions that people hold to be true. Individuals in a society have specific beliefs, but they also share collective values. Values are shared ideas, right or wrong. Values are a culture standard for discerning what is good and just in society. Values are deeply embedded and critical for transmitting and teaching a culture's beliefs. Norms. Norms are rules that govern our lives, and values are the goals of our lives. It is the expectation or rules of behavior that develop out of our values. They are guidelines for our behavior. Norms may be informal or they may be formalized into laws. We have different types of norms. We have folkways, mores, taboos, and laws. Folkways are norms that ordinary people follow in everyday life. Conformity is expected but not absolutely insisted on. Folkways are not strictly enforced. For example, no shirt, no shoes, no service. Examples of folkways: pagmamano when meeting an elder. So kapag hindi mo siya ginawa, ang dating lang para nakakabastos ka lang sa matatanda. Number 2, harana, kung saan nagsaserenade yung mga kalalakihan ng mga babae para manligaw. Another one is the use of po and opo when a person is talking to an elder or older person. So, pwede rin siya gamitin kapag medyo mataas na ang status. And the last one is pamamanhikan, kung saan yung pamilya na lalaki bibisitahin ng pamilya ng babae para hingi ng kanyang kamay, pero nagdadala sila ng pagkain at para makilala rin ng mga pamilya. Let's go with mores. Mores, or norms, are taken more seriously and are strictly enforced, considered as essential to our core values. So we insist on conformity. For example, dito medyo pwede na kayo makulong. Like for example, pag sinunog mo ang bandila ng isang bansa or you commit murder. Examples of social mores: talking to oneself in public is not considered as a normal behavior kasi nga kapag kinakausap mo sarili mo, pag lalabas na, baliw ka. So, pwedeng takbuhan ka mga tao, layo kanila, o pwede kayo pasok sa mental hospital. Another one is nudity in public is not accessible in most areas kasi nga may mga nudists. So, in a country na tinatagapang nudist, okay lang na magubad ka. Pero kung gagawin mo yan dito sa Pilipinas, malaki ang tsansa na pwede ka makulong. Ito naman isa, picking one's nose in public. So, medyo hindi naman siya katanggap-tanggap kung nangungulangot ka kung saan-saan. Rising for the national anthem is an expected behavior, especially in our country. Kaya kapag nag-national anthem at hindi ka nakatayo, pwede ka rin makulong. So, when dressing for a job interview in an office, so they expect that men should wear a suit and tie. Now let's go with taboos. Taboos are approximate super mores. Taboos are so strongly ingrained that even the thought of its violation is greeted with disapproval, disgust, and hate. Ano yung mga example niya? We have abortion, addiction to drugs, adultery, bestiality, kung saan meron ka relationship sa hayop, and also cannibalism. And then the last one is laws. A law is a normal that is formally enacted by a political authority. The power of the state backs the laws. So ito talaga kapag hindi mo siya ginagawa or hindi mo siya pinatupad, pwede ka makulong. Like for example, now, before na nag-start ang pandemic, require ang mga Filipino na magsuot ng face mask. Pero ngayon, it's already a law na kailangan magsuot ka ng face mask or else you will face the consequences at pwede ka makulong. So that's the topic for today. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and press like. Thank you very much.